Good day guys, another unboxing guys. Kobe 9 low perspective. Sold na siya guys via pre-order. This was released during 2014, so almost decade na, more than a decade na. Medyo ini siya na colorway. This is brand new, legit. Sa box pa lang daan, no? Original gayud. So sold na ini via pre-order. So unboxing kita guys ha. Wow guys. Kaya bisa kayo. This is Bolt colorway. So, tanawan nyo guys. Carbon plate siya, carbon plate skillet ini, carbon plate. Ang iyang midsole sa suod is React foam for cushioning. Ang iyang upper breathable siya. Solid gid Kobe 9 low.